we're right here on the other side of Labor Day, and everybody wants to know where are we headed, what's going on, what happened, where are we going. Well, let me tell you, good news is that we were steady before and after Labor Day. We're still steady. We're writing offers. We probably have about 5 we're working on right now. There's a lot of back and forth with the offers, but people are buying. Are they buying and willing to go after your property that's overpriced and make a serious reduction offer on it? Not necessarily. You really got to have it lined up in the market where they go, okay, now this property is priced at a price that's reasonable to me, and maybe they make a lower offer, and maybe you stay firm as a seller and they have to come back to you because you know that you're priced right in the market. Properties, again, that are priced right in the market are still lingering on the market a little bit longer than they were. We were kind of hovering around that 90-day mark for residential properties, and then we've kind of increased, moving towards that 120 days on market, and that's once you're priced right. You really got to dial down on that price and make sure that if you want to sell this year, as we wind down into the end of the year, that you get your property aligned in the market, because we're going to have a fall buyer. This activity that we've had over Labor Day is a leading indicator of what fall is going to look like. Okay, so if something happens crazy in America, I'm not responsible for that. But if all goes well, we're going to have a good fall. The weather's already getting nice. It's gorgeous out. The sunsets are starting to really happen. You know, those amazing sunsets. If you know our area, they're starting to show their colors. But the important thing is that if you're a buyer, you're going to have the opportunity in this more balanced market to be able to come in and make an offer and get that deal that you've been looking for. If the interest rates come down, you'll get a better interest rate, but you can always buy down the interest rate as part of your negotiations. So if that's what's holding you back, you know, let us know and let us help you craft the right kind of offer that makes sense for you and makes sense for the seller. Also, if you're a seller in this market, get that price dialed down. Consider alternative options to helping get your property sold, whether it's incentives, offering a rate buy down, because all of these developers in our area, that's what they're doing. They're pulling out all the stops with all the incentives, becoming competition for you. We've got to compete with them, so we got to adopt their strategy in our own way that makes sense for you. I hope this helps. Share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kaye sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.